Scatter means to throw or spread things in different directions. Example, the wind scatters the leaves. Search means to look for something. Example, I search for my key. Select means to choose something. Example, she selects a new dress. Separate means to divide things into parts. Example, we separate the books by subject. Serve means to provide food, help, or service. Example, the waiter serves dinner. Set means to put something in a particular place. Example, I set the cup on the table. Shake means to move back and forth quickly. Example, he shakes the bottle. Share means to give part of something to others. Example, she shares her toys. Shelter means to protect from danger or bad weather. Example, the tree shelters us from the rain. Shine means to give off light or look bright. Example, the sun shines brightly. Shop means to buy things from stores. Example, we shop on weekends. Show means to let someone see something. Example, he shows me his drawing. Shrink means to become smaller. Example, clothes shrink in hot water. Signal means to give a sign or message. Example, she signals for help. Sink means to go down below the surface. Example, the boat sinks slowly. Skip means to leave out or not do something. Example, I skip breakfast sometimes. Slide means to move smoothly across a surface. Example, the child slides down the playground slide. Solve means to find the answer to a problem. Example, she solves the puzzle quickly. Sort means to arrange into groups. Example, we sort the letters by date. Spare means to save from harm or difficulty. Example, the rain spares us today. Spell means to write or say the letters of a word. Example, can you spell your name? Spill means to let liquid fall out accidentally. Example, he spills the juice. Spread means to cover a larger area. Example, the news spreads quickly. Sprinkle means to scatter small drops or pieces. Example, she sprinkles sugar on the cake. Stand means to be on your feet. Example, please stand in line. Stare means to look at something for a long time. Example, don't stare at people. Start means to begin something. Example, we start the game at noon. Stay means to remain in a place. Example, I stay at home today. Steal means to take something without permission. Example, someone steals his bike. Step means to move by lifting and putting down your foot. Example, she steps carefully. Stick means to attach firmly. Example, the label sticks to the box. Stir means to mix something with a spoon or tool. Example, I stir my tea. Stop means to end movement or action. Example, the bus stops here. Store means to keep something for future use. Example, we store food in the cupboard. Stretch means to make something longer or wider. Example, she stretches before exercise. Strike means to hit something. Example, lightning strikes the tree. Study means to learn about a subject. Example, he studies mathematics. Submit means to hand in something officially. Example, I submit my homework. Succeed means to achieve a goal. Example, she succeeds in her work. Suffer means to experience pain or difficulty. Example, many people suffer from stress. Suggest means to give an idea or advice. Example, he suggests a new plan. Supply means to provide something needed. Example, the company supplies electricity. Support means to help or encourage someone. Example, my friends support me. Suppose means to think something is true. Example, I suppose he is right. Surprise means to cause someone to feel unexpected excitement. Example, the gift surprises her. Surround means to be all around something. Example, trees surround the house. Survive means to stay alive. Example, the plant survives the winter. Suspect means to think something may be true. Example, police suspect foul play. Sweep means to clean with a broom. Example, she sweeps the floor.